All right, Woody's Wheel Works. Custom wheels for the Honda 450 RL. Unboxing for all you unboxing nerds out there in YouTube world. I know you get a big kick out of this. I personally don't care, but I know you do. So I have been waiting 6 weeks for these. All right, maybe 5 weeks. Shit, we're gonna get the box out of the box. So this is a double unboxing. There it is. Bring it back out. Japanese rim with custom Colorado hubs. Oh, this is gonna be sexy. Look at that. Ooh, that's pretty nice. It's gonna come out of the wrapper right now. Oh yeah. Look at that. That's pretty sweet. It weighs almost nothing. I think it might be filled with helium. All right, let's go check rim number 2.